guys, bike's in the van, front wheel is in the stand. This stand is screwed down to the floor. So you have a couple of options. The usual option is to put these tie-ons on your handlebars, which I don't recommend. You don't want to have any tension on the shocks here by pressing down the bike. The best way is to use these tie downs to the center part here, and in the rear foot pegs, or if you have elsewhere. I usually use this part on my bike, which is metallic. So it's tied. Only two connection points, which is this one here, and on the other side is this one. The front wheel is in the front wheel choke, and no pressure on the front suspension. The only thing I've done is put the back of the bike down, so all the pressure is on the rear suspension. And as you can see, she's steady. The whole car moves when I move the bike around. There's no way this will come loose, and it's secure. So guys, and we're here. We got two bikes, and a whole bunch of stuff.